Mastering verb tenses for A1 movers. Hello, budding English learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of verb tenses. This is a crucial part of the A1 movers grammar section. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp on using the right verb tenses in your sentences. Let's get started. Verb tenses tell us when an action takes place. Whether it's something happening now, something that happened in the past, or something that will happen in the future, verb tenses help convey the time of the action. Present tense describes what's happening now. Example: she reads a book. Past tense tells us about something that happened before now. Example: he played football. Future tense talks about something that will happen later. Example: they will travel to Paris next month. Not all verbs are created equal. There are two main types: regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs. These verbs follow a pattern when changing tenses. Example: present, play, past, played. Irregular verbs. These verbs don't follow the usual pattern. Example: present, go, past, went. Always remember to practice and memorize these irregular verbs. Mistakes are a part of learning, but knowing common errors can help you avoid them. 1. Mixing tenses in a sentence. Wrong: she is play football. Right: she is playing football. 2. Using the wrong form for irregular verbs. Wrong: I eat an apple. Right: I ate an apple. Let's test what you've learned. Fill in the blanks. 1. I blank to go to school every day. 2. She blank to be at the park yesterday. 3. They blank to watch a movie tomorrow. Answers: 1. Go. 2. Was. 3. Will watch. And that wraps up our exploration of verb tenses for A1 movers. Practice makes perfect, so keep using these tenses in your conversations and writing. Remember, mastering verb tenses is a stepping stone to becoming fluent in English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.